Guardian air purifiers feature a powerful combination of filters and UVC light to trap particles that can cause asthma, allergies, and colds, while fighting bacteria and mold to help you breathe easy. The Germ Guardian 3-in-1 Digital Tower Air Cleaning System with Pet Pure treatment provides multiple layers of cleaning. A true HEPA combination filter captures up to 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust mites, debris, mold spores, pollen, and pet dander. A charcoal layer reduces odor and smoke particles, while the Pet Pure treatment provides extra protection against odor-causing contaminants on the surface of the filter. And the power of UVC light kills germs and bacteria. Standing at 28 inches tall and KDAR rated 125 plus, make it perfect for small to large rooms. And just one filter to replace every 6 to 8 months with a filter change reminder for your convenience. Germ Guardian, creating a better home environment.
Your carpets see it all, collecting every memory and every mess, every single day. But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating. With the Hoover PowerDash Carpet Cleaner, it's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin Brush Roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And PowerDash is super lightweight and compact, so whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover PowerDash Carpet Cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover, plus our lineup of powerful solutions at your favorite retailer today. The Hoover PowerDash Carpet Cleaner.
Most of my friends use makeup brushes every day, but they also forget to clean them, or choose not to clean them because it's a messy job and brushes take so long to dry. This is a real problem because these brushes need to be cleaned regularly. Otherwise, they just soak up live bacteria, which is disgusting and harmful to your health. The Luxe Makeup Brush Cleaner is an easy, effective way to clean and dry your makeup brushes. In fact, it works like magic in just a couple of seconds. The package includes the spinner, a glass bowl and ring, 8 different brush collars to fit many different styles and sizes, a charging stand and cable, and a bonus cleaning solution for those tough, non-soluble makeups. Here, let me show you. I'll demonstrate with this brush I've just used to put on my makeup. You can select 3 different levels of agitation on the spinner, and the spinner has a charging station, which means you'll always be ready to clean. As you can see, the brush is now clean and dry. This is a quality product that will increase the life of your brushes and keep you healthy and free of harmful germs and bacteria. Once you try it, you'll never want to be without it. Thanks for watching.
With its highly engineered technology, ScoopFree is a virtually touch-free, leave it and don't worry about it litter system. After your cat uses ScoopFree, the super absorbent, odor-trapping ScoopFree crystals begin to absorb wetness and dry out solid waste. Then, 20 minutes after your cat leaves, sensors activate the stainless steel cleaning rake. It's whisper quiet and rakes waste into a covered trap, sealing away waste and odor. Then you just throw it away. Your hands never touch messy waste or litter.
ScoopFree helps keep your home clean and fresh.
It's easy to set up. Simply lift the box and slide in a disposable litter tray pre-filled with ScoopFree crystals. Then every few weeks simply cover the tray, throw it away, and replace with a fresh one. Unlike traditional litter boxes that spread a foul odor throughout your house, ScoopFree uses crystals which absorb wetness and lock away odors on contact, and then seal odors and waste in the covered trap.
Uh-oh. Is your tub drain getting stopped up with hair every time you take a shower? Are you fed up with hair strainers like this that are messy and slimy and hard to clean? Well, don't hate your hair, get a TubShroom. TubShroom is the all-new and better way to snare your hair and prevent clogged tub drains. Watch, TubShroom catches every single hair every single time you shower. And getting rid of trapped hair is simple too. Just lift it out and wipe it off. It's that easy. TubShroom features a universal design that fits in any standard bathtub drain, and it's guaranteed to catch any type of hair. Long or short, thin or thick, curly or straight. Even pet hair is no problem for TubShroom. And look, other so-called solutions don't catch every hair. And the hair they do catch is on display while you shower, and harder to get rid of when you're done. But the TubShroom's unique design conceals trapped hair. Water flows freely down the drain, and cleanup is always fast and easy.
With this long hair, I used to deal with a clogged drain practically every day. But my TubShroom catches every hair every time I shower. And I love how cute it is.
Catch every single hair every single time you shower with TubShroom. No more clogs, no more hard-to-clean messes, and no dangerous chemicals to damage your pipes. TubShroom is the last hair strainer you'll ever have to buy, backed by our full 30-day money-back guarantee.
Hey everyone, this is Dan Barnes with PhoneSoap. Here's a video to show you quickly our PhoneSoap 3 and how it works. After opening up the box, inside you're going to find the UV sanitizer in its packaging and also the power cable in its respective packaging. After removing from the packaging, plug this side into the wall, and on the other end of the cord with the circular jack, place it right here into the back of PhoneSoap. This will power your device and it is now ready to use. To sanitize an item, just open up the PhoneSoap lid. Place the object inside. To start, you just close the lid and it starts automatically. There are no on and off switches. The blue indicator in the lightning bolt on top will turn on, letting you know the device inside is being disinfected. That will take 10 minutes. When your sanitizing is done, the blue light will turn off, open your lid, and remove your now fully disinfected device. When you close the lid, it will start again. That cleans the inside space so that it's always disinfected. If you remember, this device can also act as a cell phone charger. On this side of the device, there are two ports, a USB port and a USB-C port. You use your own charging cable to match it up to these spots. Then plug it into my phone. You'll notice your charging cable fits perfectly in this slot. Just close the lid, and again the sanitizing will take 10 minutes. After the sanitizing is done, the lights will turn off, and you can keep your phone in there all night and keep it charging. Don't worry, in the morning you'll still hear all of your notifications like an alarm or a phone call. We know you're going to love using PhoneSoap 3. We hope you start having a healthier lifestyle. Thanks again.
Congratulations on the purchase of your Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Our jewelry cleaning systems are offered in a number of sizes and styles for all your cleaning needs. In this video, we will use the MGUC 500 model to show you how to get the best results using an ultrasonic cleaner. You can clean a wide range of items in your ultrasonic cleaner, such as jewelry, earrings, bracelets, rings, necklaces, eyeglasses, and waterproof watches, hygiene items, combs, shaver heads, dentures, razor blades, stationery, pen heads, printer heads, seals, rubber stamps, metal items, watch parts, coins, keychains, machine parts, metal utensils, silverware and kitchen utensils, other items, tools, valves, nozzles, filters, instruments. Antique jewelry containing loose stones and jewelry containing soft or porous stones like pearls, emeralds, amber, and opals should not be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner. If you are unsure whether you should use the ultrasonic cleaner on your specific type of jewelry, please consult your local jeweler. Ultrasonic cleaning will not remove tarnish from silver. Tarnish is a form of rust. Only physical polishing will remove it. Your ultrasonic cleaner will come with a cleaning basket. Using this is optional, but ideal if you are cleaning multiple items at one time. Fill the tank with tap water. The water must cover the object being cleaned, but must not exceed the max line. Running the cleaner dry or without a minimum of 1 cup of water may cause the product to stop working. For enhanced cleaning, a mild dish soap or jewelry cleaning solution may be added at a ratio of 10 parts water to 1 part cleaner. If using a cleaning solution, run the cleaner for 90 seconds with water only to remove remaining residue after you've completed your cleaning cycle. Each cleaner has different timer settings. Do not run the cleaner continuously for over 20 minutes. Allow 10 minutes between cycles to prolong the life of the product. Select the desired time and press the Set button. You will hear the cleaner working, and there may be a slight ripple on the water's surface. Dirt being cleaned from your item will appear like smoke or mist in the water, which will turn murky. When this effect stops, the item is clean. Once finished, pour the dirty water over the side of the tank to ensure the controls do not get wet. Do not leave water in the cleaning tank for an extended period of time. For more information on ultrasonic cleaning and other great gadgets, be sure to visit Magnasonic.com, where we believe everyday experiences should be extraordinary.